Hello guys, today we are at Orangeville Drive Test Center. We are going to go to Orangeville G Test Route. They have 3 different routes now in Orangeville. We are going to go all these routes one by one. And after that, if you have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Let's go Orangeville G Test Route number 3. Yeah, we'll park in the parking lot. Then exam will tell you take a right here. Mirror signal blind spot. Take a right here. And keep on the right side. Look for the pedestrian, look for the cars here, keep on the right side here. Sometimes they're taking truck tests here, be careful about that one too. In the route number 1 and 2, I took you to right from that stop sign. In the route number 3, I will take you to left from this stop sign. Take a left here. And the stop sign, make sure stop completely, no matter what, before the stop sign and before the crosswalk. Stop here completely, then go a little further and see anyone coming, any pedestrian coming, any car coming. No one is coming. I can take a left here, and speed limit is 40 here. Take a left on the stop sign. Completely stop at the stop sign. It's always stop sign. Take a left here. Speed limit is still 40 here. This all the area is 40. Inside the street is 40. Maintain at 40 speed limit. Look around, look all the driveway, look everything around here. Look for the driveways. Sometimes the examiner take you to right from the stop sign. Sometimes they don't take it, but we're going to the same place only. Even if they take you right here, we're going to the same place. Yeah, stop here completely. Yeah, everything is clear. Take a right here, right from the first street here. It's called First Avenue. We'll take a right here. Be careful, these are narrow roads here, so be careful here. And the next stop sign, they will tell you to take a left, and that's a two-way stop sign. Two-way stop sign means you have stop sign, other side have stop sign. Middle they don't have stop sign. Take a left here. See, it's written on the stop sign, two-way stop sign. Some people get confused, what is two-way stop sign? This is what two-way stop sign. You have stop sign, other side have stop sign. Middle they don't have stop sign. Look around, everything is clear. Yeah, no one car is coming because they don't have stop sign. So be careful. Yeah, so they will not stop. Yeah, good. Their car's gone. And now we can take left here. Next traffic light we will take a left, and 40 ends here. It's a 50 on the Broadway. Stop here, complete. When you're standing at the intersection, keep on looking around, look back mirror, looks on the sides. Don't keep on looking at the traffic light only. Traffic light will change for sure, but keep on looking around here. Who can come to your way? No pedestrian, everything is clear. Yeah, keep on scanning the intersection. Yeah, nobody's behind us. Yeah, somebody's beside us, so it's not going to come in our way. Look around quickly. Yeah, and we'll take a left here. Left, and it's 50 here. So this is a one lane here, so this one lane will become a 2 lanes after that, and by default you have to come to the rightmost lane. Mirror signal blind spot, come to the right lane. For this lane change, examiner won't tell you. You have to come by yourself to the rightmost lane. because we are supposed to be driving in the rightmost lane all the time. It's 50 speed limit here on the Broadway. And here examiner will tell you when it's safe to do so, change it to left. Yes, change it to left, or maybe change it to right also. It can be anything, right? So if examiner say keep in left lane, no problem. You can keep in left lane. And just look both sides. When standing here in the intersection, keep on looking around. Just keep on scanning around here. It's going to change soon for us. Yep, look around. One car is beside us, so we should know what is going on around us too. Yeah. And the next traffic light, we will take a left. That's again Highway 10. Yeah, mirror, signal, blind spot, and go to the left lane. And that's a Highway 10. And speed limit is 80 on the Highway 10. Yeah, so light is green for us. We can go quickly. The first lane here, leftmost lane. Then speed up, go to 70 to 80, and then change it to right. Mirror, signal, blind spot, and then change it to right. And then examiner will tell you a couple of times here, change it to left, change it to right. When it's safe to do so, mirror, signal, blind spot, change it to left. Mirror, signal, blind spot, change it to right. Keep on looking. When you're passing through any traffic light, just have a look around both sides. Again, change it to left, change it to left, and take a left again here. 5th Avenue, we'll take a left again here. Enter from the corner. Mirror, signal, blind spot, MSB, check. And we'll take a left from the traffic light. Light is still green. Let's see if it stay green or not. Yep, it's still green. We can, nobody's coming from the opposite side. We can take a left here. Yep, and we took left here, and it's again 40 start here. It's a written maximum 40 area start, right? So it's a 40 here. Don't exceed speed limit, it's 40 here. Just look around and in the intersection. Anyone coming? Yeah, its light is green. We can look around. No one is coming. We can go straight. Just keep on looking. Keep on looking all the driveways. Any hazard can come in your way. Look for the driveways. Yeah, everything is good. Yeah. Next traffic light, we'll take a right. We'll take a right here. This is called first street. Light is red. We have to stop first here. No matter what, red light, we have to stop. See no one coming. We'll take a right here. Yeah. And don't forget, red light we have to stop. Speed limit is 50 here. Just when you pass through any intersection, just have a little bit look around both sides. Check both sides in the intersection. Speed limit is 50 here. Then they will take you right from the first traffic light, and that's again going to highway. And this one you have to merge into the highway. It's not a yield sign there, it's a merging on the highway. We'll take a right here, right, and then go towards the ramp. And the ramp, be careful, go smoothly on the ramp. When the ramp finish, then speed up and go to 70 to 80, and you have to merge into the highway. Look, there's no yield sign here. You have to merge here. Mirror, signal, blind spot, and when speed is between 70 to 80, then merge. Okay, again change it to left, change it to right. It's safe to do so. Just keep on checking, keep on looking around. See, cars are coming right in front of you. Be careful. It's your right of way, but if somebody is coming in the way, that's okay. What you can do, right? So just look around. Yeah. So next traffic light, we will take a right. Again, where a signal blind spot, go right. It's a green light, but that cyclist can come in our way. So be careful. Even if it's their fault, you have to watch it. Yeah, no, he's not going to come. Yeah, we'll take a right here. And then third entrance, we'll take a left inside the parking lot. Yeah, then they will tell you take left here. Look around, everything is clear, we can take left here. And then when you come here, keep on the rightmost side. There are so many cars are coming from the opposite side, and you have to give them the way. And sometimes the truck people are doing tests here, so be careful about that one. Also, don't disturb anyone. Then the examiner will tell you to park anywhere on the right side. Just listen to the examiner and park wherever they tell you to park. And park here. And then the examiner tells you, congratulations, you meet the ministry standard today, and you pass and go and get your license from inside. So congratulations, you will pass. I hope you enjoy this video about the G Test route in Orangeville. If you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965.